Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing, guys. So, natay bagong listing. So, commercial lot. So, this is commercial lot. Ano siya, guys? Kanang naimarka diya 350. Kanang na yellow tao gabarok. Yellow color nga t-shirt. Then hari po ni dire, guys. Nabantay ka ng talisay. So mauna siya, guys. Nasimitapad anang building. So wide frontage. It's a clean title. So mao ni siya, guys, no? Package price is 25 million pesos. So 25 milyones. Yeah, dool ra sa very close or town proper. So nara almost tapad ra ng Welte. So nindot kayo, no? Tapad ra kayo anang Welte. So wide frontage, ideal for commercial yun. Actually this is commercial already. I repeat, 2,261 square meters at 25 million pesos. It's a clean title. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land title, condominium title, and license to sell. Okay. Thank you very much, and God bless to all. And happy viewing. Bye. Kasing kalimot ko sa location, ha. Poblasyon Ubay Bohol. Mao ni ang location, Poblasyon Ubay Bohol. Thank you again.